Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today is about the memory RAM. As you see right there, those right there are gonna be switched. But anyway, I bought the same ones, but this is right here, 64 gigabytes of RAM, and it's CL26, bro. They're basically the same, but this one right here are much faster and everything. I think those right there cost me 100 and something. I forgot how much. And these ones right here, they cost 300. I don't know. It was a lot. It was a lot. 405 dollars. I'll show you when I'm done. So right now it's a mess. As you guys can see, I got two monitors. This is the LG, really old model. This from 2020, something like that. 240 FPS. And this is the Sawi. Thank you. This is 600 FPS. But I'm gonna do a different video for that. So this is the old memory right here. The old one. They're pretty cool. They still work good, but I prefer having better ones. These are the new ones. Like I said, they the same brand, everything, but this is better speed, better memory, whatever you want to call it. And these things are beautiful, bro. So I'm gonna put the first one. I only have always, they say 2 sticks, it's better than 4. And on my old PC, I didn't like the way that shit sounded. Anyway, so this is the second stick, and like I said, 2 sticks is better than 4. And on my old PC, the 2020, they had 4 sticks, bro. Let me show you how it looks. Now I'm gonna just plug it and see if it works. They're so fucking beautiful, bro. They're beautiful. So you already have your memory installed. If you want the full speed to be like max speed, whatever your memory RAM is, you gotta go to the BIOS right here. Whenever you restart your PC, you gotta hit the delete button. It's gonna take you to the BIOS. And right here, when it says XMP or Expo whatever profile, that's what you gotta enable. So your RAM can run the max speed, you know. So that's how you do it. And then after you're done, you gotta obviously go save it, whatever, and restart your PC and make sure it's running at full speed. So everything matches every color. As you guys can see, that's the new ones. That's the motherboard. Those are the fans, everything. And if you guys now want to check if you have the max speed running, you guys gotta hit Control Alt Delete at the same time on your keyboard, and it's gonna open this. You gotta go Task Manager, and then you're gonna open this white right here. Go click right here, Memory, and right here the bottom. See, it's running the full speed right here. I got 64 gigabytes, but for some reason it says 54. I don't know why. I don't know. It always says that, even on USB drives or whatever. So you see right here, it's running at 6,000. So that's it. It's working.